Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to go over the latest updates on my Odoo app, my Odoo AI agent. So I have a few examples here that with the chat, and we can make some more. So list the total price and line items of sales order 18. Says the sales order 18 has an amount of 831. Here are the line items included, blah, blah, blah. And I can even say change the quantity of office chair black to 5. So this now is you can download it. Okay, the quantity of office chair black and sales order 18 has been successfully updated to 5. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask. Oh, thanks, bud. Then we go to sales orders. 18. Where is it? So we go sales order 18 and office chair black is now quantity 5. So that's pretty nice and it's pretty quick. And yeah, so this app, so the front end of the chatbot, you can download here from the App Store that I uploaded. And I guess the best way to do it is to download this, and it gives a zip file, and then you unzip it. And I didn't set up a project myself with Odoo SH, but if you do this, I don't think it really works that well. The best way is to go here, download it, and then in GitHub, you add new files. So in the GitHub, like I don't have a GitHub repository for, but I can just show something. If I go to like this one, I go, so maybe it would work actually. So this is my Odoo instance I have here that I just use Docker to launch it, but I guess the SH is similar. Anyways, you go here, add files, and then you just like drag and drop the whole directory into here. And then on the Odoo SH project, it'll be there. I mean, it takes like a minute or so to deploy. Because I guess the Odoo SH also has like auto deploy from GitHub. So you make a GitHub repository, connect it to Odoo SH, and then connect it here. And I wonder if it would probably work on mine, because for example, how I did it is, so I just have this Docker compose, Docker file, and then here is the same thing that I'm downloading, or that I uploaded to the Odoo store that you can download from the Odoo store here. Anyways, and this is connecting to I made it like a microservice with Python to, actually if I show you, if I do like a quick refresh, and I say, hello, what are our current sales orders with status? I don't know what the status is, sold. And it prompts you for your Odoo password, and it sends the API key that I provide. It sends the Odoo URL that you're on, your instance, your database that it's on, your username, and then it just prompts the password, because your password isn't saved onto like the session, and then it only saves into memory here, and then if I refresh it, it's not there, and it doesn't save in my database or anything. And then it just uses the API key that I provide to confirm that, like, on that side. And then it has like a list of tools. I can even go over here. A list of tools. Okay, what tools do I need? Okay, read the database. go back and use OpenAI GPT 4.0 mini. And it's quick and it's quite nice. So yeah, here are the current sales orders, name 27, blah blah blah. Yeah, and it has like a new line, quite nice. Sometimes it'll give like stars, like to bold it. And in the prompt, I say, don't bold it, please. But then if it does it, I just write here, don't bold, and then it works. And in the actual API endpoint, it doesn't have any memory, but this one I created like in the JavaScript in the front end here, it has memory. And I also set it up, like it's easy to set up for its own like API endpoint with N8N, for example. But this is also should work. And then in the how to set there's also a couple steps though. So here's the explanation. So in the if you go to developers, turn on developer settings, you go to settings, technical, system parameters, and then you make one AI agent Odoo service URL, and then this is the URL that and then this is the URL that like the microservice is running on, and then you make an AI Odoo API key, and then you can request an API key from me if you need. And then on my microservice, I just have like a database with a customer name, and then the API key hashed, and then when the service is called, it checks the database. Okay, is this API key there? Yeah, it is. Okay, confirm. Sends back and then makes a call to the OpenAI, and can connect to the Odoo database through the credentials that's sent to in the HTTP request, and then it comes back. So it's pretty smooth. Works pretty good. Like the actual here, there's a few things I need to update. I don't mind this look. You can close it, open it, but it doesn't like scroll down. I have like a function like scroll to the bottom, but sorry, I gotta move this again. Oops. Here. If I say okay, shit. Oops. This okay. What is in sales order 20, and then it doesn't like scroll down a bit. So that's just little small things that I can improve, but it's not the end of the world. So it's finished, and then you have to like kind of scroll down and see. And then see here it says product and stars. I say don't reply in bold, please. Just kidding. No, don't reply in bold. And then no, okay, I apologize for that. Without bold formatting, and then it doesn't, because it had like some new line, like -n for new line, and that works. And then but the bold, it's like, okay, well, there's a way to like make the bold like show up in this, but it was easier just to make it turn off. Just try to get it to turn off. And yeah, so if you go to settings, and then you turn on activated developer mode, and then you go, this is on, and then this will show up, and you go technical, and then system parameters here. This is the system parameters. And then you add a new system parameter, and yeah, and that's all you need. For the ones like I told you, here. Yeah, you can just email me. You can find email on my website or on YouTube, and then I can set you up with like, just give me your name and like an email or whatever, and then we can set you up with an API key, and I'll have payment, and we can set up payment for that for like a monthly subscription, I'm thinking, depending on the usage. And yeah, and then we can just see how it goes. I definitely want to implement a landing page to show this and how it works, and also just for onboarding, and then easier people can request the API key, pay, and then that's it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any feedback or improvement requests or anything that we can do, because I'm here. I'm available to help out on that. And myself, like I said, there's a few just little UI things, but other than that, I think it works how I would want it. And let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye for now.